Hey Beauty Glam Sisters, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and hello to the new Beauty Glam Sisters. Welcome to my channel. My name is Danny MUA, and today I'm going to continue on part 2 of the Covergirl Trunaked Peach Punch, and I'm going to create a look with this one. I went to the store yesterday, and they had a highlighter, peach highlighter and chocolate bronzer. If you guys want to see the chocolate bronzer and the highlighter, go ahead and smash the like button and leave a comment below and let me know that you want me to try those out, and I'll try them out for you guys. Alright, let's get started. First off, I'm going to start by priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And I think this is the original one. Yeah, the original. Don't feel like it has more. Alright, I'm going to use my favorite tool to blend my fingers. Okay. Not that they are primed, I'm going to open this. Let me take this off. Let me try to open this. I can't open it. Oh, there it goes. And these are the colors. It goes from Peachy Ni, Peachy Ani, Main Peach, Public Peach, Peach Sangria, Georgia Dream, Grilled Peach, and Raspberry Peach. It does smell like peach. Yum. I like the smell of this one. Alright, so I'm going to start off using my Morphe M504. And I'm going to go in with the top one, which is Peachy Ni. And I'm going to go all over the lid with this. It's a good blend. It smells like peach. Yummy. So good. Makes me want to have a peach. Okay, now that the eyes look like that with the base, I'm going to go in with my Morphe R37. And I'm going to go in with the color Raspberry Peach, which is this one right here, way at the bottom. Oh boy. It's very pigmented. And I'm going to use this one as a transition color. Holy snap, this is really pigmented. That's pretty. It's a pretty color too. But you're just going to want to blend the color. Windshield wiper motions. Blend, blend, blend. Now that we look like that, I'm going to go and grab a little bit of the, purple one down here, which is Georgia Dreams. Yeah, Georgia Dreams. I'm going to use the Morphe R37, the same one I used for the Raspberry Punch. And I'm going to go in on the outer corners and try to buff it out. Oh, that's really dark. This purple is really pigmented. Now with my Morphe M210, I'm going to go in and grab Public Peach. And I'm going to press it right here. I see it. It's sneaking up on me, but I see it. We'll try to do it without no concealer, see how it comes out. So far it's doing a good job. Alright, with the same one, I'm going to go and grab Peachini, which is this one right here. Oh wait, the second one right there, Peachani. I'm going to put that in the center. It has like a little shimmer to it, so I'm going to put it in the center. Okay, now that I did that, I'm going to go ahead and grab the fifth one, which is Peach Sangria, as a inner with the same Morphe M210. I'm going to blend it so it could blend in. I'm going to go again with this one and grab the top one, which is Peach Kini. I'm going to highlight the inner brow bone with that. Ooh, God, it's pigmented. Alright, and with the same color that I use, I'm going to highlight the brow bone a little bit. Again, I'm going to grab my Morphe M504 to blend that out. Alrighty, and with my Morphe M515, I'm going to go in again with the color Georgia Dreams at the bottom. And the only ones I didn't swatch were this one, which was Main Peach and Grilled Peach, and I'll swatch them so you can see how it looks. And here's a swatch. They are very pigmented. I'm going to go in with my Morphe 250-1 and my Morphe liner in Jet. This is what happens when you go overboard. Alright, I'm going to do the other one off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, now that I did the other eye, I'm going to go in with my all-time favorite lashes. And these are my favorite drugstore lashes, which are the Kiss in Camisole. I'm going to be using a duo glue in black. I should invest in one that has an applicator. Alrighty, now that the lashes are on, I'm going to go in with Jeffree Star lips in the shade Christmas Cookies. Looks like this. And I stuck with the theme, pink or peachy. Alright, for highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. And I'm going to go in with Kitty Cat, which is this one right here. I'm going to grab my Morphe R36. I'm going to get some Fix Plus. Kitty Cat. And go to town on highlighter. Oh boy, look at that. Pretty color. Pretty highlighter too. Alright, and for the nose highlight, I'm going to go in with my Morphe E18 with Kitty Cat again. Highlight the bow right here. Look at that. That pigment. Bridge of the nose. I was going to originally go with Jeffree Star Uranus, but I was like, no, I'll go with Nicole Guerrero. Or Anastasia. You can never have enough highlight. Alright, I'm going to go again with my Morphe R36 with Kitty Cat. I'm going to highlight right here. Right there. Holy snaps, I'm highlighter for days. Let's have to tone that down a little bit. There we go. A little bit of highlight on the brow bone. Just a tad. Alrighty, Beauty Glam sisters. So if you guys like this look, make sure you smash that like button. That really helps out my channel a lot. Subscribe to my channel and continue being a Beauty Glam sister. I appreciate every single last one of you Beauty Glam sisters. Without you, this channel would not happen. And thank you everyone who's subscribing to my channel and leaving comments. I appreciate every single last one of you. Alright, Beauty Glam Sisters, I post videos every Wednesday for you guys. Alright, so stay tuned for next Wednesday's video. I don't know, it might be a challenge. I don't know if it's a challenge or another tutorial. You guys leave a comment below and tell me what you want. Alright, Beauty Glam Sisters. Till next time, bye.